Hi, I'm Brian, and I lead global sales compensation at Notion. Notion is a connected workspace that centralizes your projects, your documents, your tasks all in one place with AI kind of integrated throughout. Before Everstage, commissions were completely manual. It was stitched together by spreadsheets, and it was a tedious task. It was a process that didn't really provide a lot of transparency. And so we knew that we needed to focus on building the right foundation. And that's when Everstage came along. It's been a night and day experience, going from manual calculations, fielding rep questions, validating, sending comp plans one by one manually was just a task that I just didn't want to get done, right? But I knew that it was something that we needed to do. So once we implemented Everstage, we cut down all of our inquiries by 90%. We were able to really provide transparency for our reps to understand where they stand, because that's really the motivator, right? Like sales compensation brings together the human aspect of motivation and psychology, and how that fuels the go-to-market engine. There are a lot of ICM solutions out there, and I think where Notion was at, any tool can really get the job done. But why we ended up choosing Everstage is through the partnership. We knew that where Notion is, we can definitely scale with Everstage, and building that trust from the beginning was really important for us. I'd say Everstage hit on all three. It allowed reps to have full transparency to their quota attainment throughout the quarter. It really unlocked rep and sales performance management earlier in the quarter, right? So managers can now see where their teams are trending and really hone in on the management part, making sure that reps can fully be coached and understand, where they can improve on their performance. And then that really unlocked a lot of visibility across the sales leadership team to have a good understanding of where the business is going and how much we're actually going to pay out in terms of commissions. The team is really excited about Crystal. Being able to forecast, being able to gamify and understand the upside with their commissions has really allowed them to, push a little bit harder, right? And have a little bit more visibility and clarity on where they could potentially land throughout the entire quarter. Everstage is definitely leading the charge with AI, and I'm really excited to see a lot of the new product enhancements and features roll out, specifically around different currencies, around being able to build comp plans and build queries as an admin without having to build my own dashboard. I think is going to unlock even more insightful data that is going to help us make more informed decisions. The team was really excited when we went live with Everstage. I remember a rep coming up to me and just being so excited. I never saw his face light up so brightly because he can actually have visibility into his commissions so early on, right? The sales team is ecstatic. We went from a commission statement that they get to see and validate at the end of the quarter to real-time clarity at the opportunity level. That to them was really powerful, right? And now they don't want to go back. Our global head of sales was really impressed with the dashboards that we were able to pull together. End of quarter, we'll always provide communications on where reps are trending, where attainment is at, and to be able to self-serve that data in real time and to be able to push the dashboards to them has unlocked a lot of visibility into where regions are doing, where certain teams were performing, and that just gave them a lot of clarity. If you're thinking about Everstage, I'd say just go for it. Everstage is the blend of trust. It's the blend of being able to not just get the job done, but you can see it in the thoughtfulness of the product, right? Because the team really grew from a RevOps background, the product has really lent itself to a lot of the frustrations that RevOps face when managing sales compensation because it's so downstream. Everstage has unlocked so much growth for our team to be able to scale sales compensation from 80 payees to 350 now with just myself. And I would not be able to do that without the support of the Everstage team.